Did you know the definition of abusive international marriages, relationships, results from the practice of older adults in the U.S. going overseas to marry or have relationships in abusive and exploitative ways? Any of these aspects makes the relationship abusive. The huge age difference between 20 to 70 years, being deceitful about marital status or family status in the U.S., forcing their spouse in the U.S. to grant them a legal divorce but remaining culturally married, making their sons legally marry the young wives so that they can bring them, or sexually exploitations of young people overseas.
Các bậc cả cầu tê đô cú thật trả cho kế mùi vật sinh cận sát tỷ ú lo do abusive international marriage.
Nai ngan cha tất thật thay nhà chân cháu phía bố la đồ nên ban hay sát chân tê tana yết đàn tòa ông cho mà nè du bù bang bảo vấn đại khai mà lang.
Will you fight with me to end abusive international marriages?
Abusive international marriage đau đinh in năng cần tơ ti về lại mò.
Năng cái cho đá mà cái chất quý học khu đô bế cha mà cho lô chapa lỡ ta chỉ ta pro đồ giá sĩ của
Will you stand to fight with me to end abusive international marriage?
Help end abusive international marriage.